In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Airtable. Airtable is a powerful tool available on both Android and iPhone or iPad devices. You can also use it through a web browser. The app is incredibly popular, with over 1 million downloads on Google Play alone. Let's walk through the steps to get it on your device. First, you need to open your App Store. If you're using an Android device, look for the Google Play Store icon. On an iPhone or iPad, you'll need to open the App Store. This is the place where you can find and download many apps. Each store is designed to be user-friendly, so you should have no trouble locating it on your device. Once you have your App Store open, it's time to search for Airtable. In the search bar, type the word Airtable. Make sure you verify that the developer is Airtable, also known as Formagrid Inc. This is crucial because it ensures you are downloading the official app. There are many apps out there, and checking the developer helps you avoid downloading a potentially harmful or fake app. Next up, you will install the app. On an Android device, you will see an Install button. On an iPhone or iPad, look for the Get button. Tap it and the download process will begin. This step is essential because it brings the Airtable application onto your device. Depending on your internet connection, this might take a few moments. Be patient and wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation finishes, go ahead and tap Open. This will launch the Airtable app on your device. Seeing the app open up for the first time can be exciting. At this point, you are just moments away from being able to explore all that Airtable has to offer. Now you are ready to get started with Airtable. At this point, you will need to sign in or create an account. If you already have an Airtable account, simply sign in with your credentials. This will allow you to access your existing databases and projects. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, you can create a new one easily. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Creating an account will enable you to start with a blank base or choose from a variety of templates. Airtable offers templates for project management, event planning, CRM, inventory tracking, and more. These templates can save you time and help you organize your data efficiently. Remember, having the right app and a secure account setup is important. It ensures that your data remains safe and you can access your projects from anywhere. With Airtable on your device, you can now manage your projects seamlessly, whether you're at home, at work, or on the go. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to download Airtable. I hope you found it helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy using Airtable and explore its capabilities to manage your tasks effectively. Until next time, take care and happy organizing.